My legend I play, watch out now. All of them tunes are my tunes, see? I'm a build them. Out of Temple, you see me? Out of Wicked Man Project. That tune I'm call that tune Ear Care 47 mix. Lionheart 21, you see me? That's how we are built up on the street. We build it and we chill it, we don't come and play. Whether you want that, I hear them take it by storm, global, hear them style. But legal and real. Out of West Road and look here fire. Chop boy. Yeah man, I build them style. I know so we don't play no. We don't play now. Blow up on myself. Say not. Set everything apart. Yeah, Bobby wrong them now. Nobody have them tone there, you want them tone there. That cost $1 million. You hear that? Well, big up YouTube and Logic. I tune. You see me? Opportunity. Give me opportunity, yo. Look here with fire out and bad. Then you want to tune ya. Mad. They want artists with him ya. Mad. Oh, Tambot, you hear them style? Nowhere in the world. You hear that? Out of Miami, New York, the whole of America there. You see it, you go sit down and take holiday. They produce and play. Oh, Tambot, nah.